Very good morning, children. Today I am going to start the lesson 6. Okay, so before going to start the lesson 6, let me give you some instructions. For FA 3 we are having the syllabus is 1 to 3 lessons. Okay, so you must complete the 1 to 3 lessons CW part as well as textbook part. If you have any doubt regarding 1 to 3 lessons, you can contact me. Okay, the 5 lessons were already completed. I have kept all 5 lessons textbook part and the CW part in the assignments icon of our school app. So now I'm going to teach you the 6th lesson. Okay, the first section of the 6th lesson is warm up session. What is our first session? The warm up session. What is the title? The Pigeon Party. The Pigeon Party. So what are the activities you do when you have a party with your friends? Work with a partner and make a list. For example, if your friend invited you for the birthday party, what you will do there? Those kind of activities you have to mention here. Okay, so let us look into the poem. Now read the poem along with me. Okay, 20 noisy pigeons had a party last night. The last egg had hatched. The youngest one was out. They rocked the TV wires and looked the kitten in the eye. They splashed in the pool, the kitten's water bow, and then they had a contest. Who showers more droppings on the clothesline? It must have been a good party. Many must have won, for cloths were splattered with the proof of the fun. So who was the writer of this poem? Chitra Padmanabhan. Chitra Padmanabhan. Who was the writer of this poem? Chitra Padmanabhan. Okay. So how is the poem? It is so beautiful, right? Now I am going to explain you this poem. Okay. 20 noisy pigeons had a party last night. How many pigeons? 20 noisy pigeons. What they had? They had a party. When they had a party? They had a party on last night. See, all these 20 pigeons, they wanted to have a party last night. Okay, so what happened then? The last egg had hatched. You already know pigeons lay some eggs. So one egg was broken, that means hatched, and one pigeon come out from that egg. So that pigeon is known as the youngest one. Why it is the youngest one? Because it is just born. Okay, hatched means just born. Okay, so the youngest one was out. When they are partying, one egg was hatched. That means one egg was broken and the youngest pigeon come out from that egg. Okay, so they rocked the TV wires. What is meant by rocked? So rocket means moving here and there, flying in uncertain ways. See, here, there. How they will play? Like nothing. They will move all over the sky and they are rocking just. So, and look at the kitten in the eye. See what she is doing? The pigeon is looking into the cat's eye directly. Have you observed this? So see, it was looking into the kitten's eye. How funny it is, right? So and look at it and look at the kitten in the eye. Eye to eye contact with the kitten. First they rocked all over the sky and then see what the pigeon is doing. It is looking into the kitten's eye. They splashed in the pool, the kitten's water bow. So what they have doing? They splashed into the kittens. Whose bow is this? It is kitten's water bowl. But the pigeons make it as their pool. They splash it into this pool and they are enjoying. The kitten is watching them. How funny it is, right? So it is the bowl of the kitten for drinking. But what they are doing, they are splashed into that water and they are enjoying. And then they had a contest. Who showers more dropping on the cloths line? So see, it must have been a good party. So and then they had a contest. What is that contest? Who showers more droppings? What is the meaning of droppings? Droppings are nothing but the wastage that comes from the animals. Okay, the wastage that comes from the animals. So what they have done? They all are sitting here and they are dropping their wastage. So then they are spoiling the cloth. So that is their contest. What is their contest? Who will drop more droppings? How funny it is. So who drop more droppings? They are the winner. That is the contest. So they want to spoil the cloth line. It must have been a good party. Many must have won. Yes. So maybe many won the game. For the cloths were splattered. So all the cloths are flattered. That means splattered means some fell as if in drops. See, splattered means all the cloths are spoiled with the proof of the fun. That means they are having a proof that something tells you the truth. They are doing it. Right. So this is the poem. Okay, so children, you must complete the 1 to 5 lesson textbook part and the CW part. For FA3, your English syllabus is 1 to 3 lessons, textbook part and the CW part. You must complete it, okay, and send it to me. So this is the poem, children. Let us read again with me. 20 noisy pigeons had a party last night. The last egg had hatched. The youngest one was out. They rocked the TV wise and looked the kitten in the eye. They splashed in the pool, the kitten's water bowl, and then they had a contest. Who showers more droppings on the cloth line? It must have been a good party. Many must have won. For the cloths were splattered with the proof of the truth. So written by Chitra Padma Naban. Okay. Let us look into the new words. What is the first new word? Rocked. What is the spelling of rocked? R-O-C-K-E-D. Rocked. Move it to and fro. Move it to and fro. Here and there. Everywhere. Okay. What is the second new word? Droppings. D-R-O-P-P-I-N-G-S. Droppings. What is the meaning of droppings? I already told you that the wastage that comes from the animals or birds. Solid, S-O-L-I-D, solid waste matter of birds and the animals. Okay. So see next one. Cloths line. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Cloths line. L-I-N-E line. A wire or a cord on which cloths are hung to dry. So see, in our homes we hung one wire from here to there for the cloths to dry, right? Those are known as cloths line. Okay. So our next word is splattered. S-P-L-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. Splattered. So what is the meaning of splattered? Fell as if in drops. F-E-L-L. Fell as if in drops. So if the boats are moving on the cloths wire, what will happen? The cloths are splattered as well, right? So the last word is proof. What is the spelling of proof? P-R-O-O-F. Proof. So what is the meaning of proof? something that tells the truth. Something that tells the truth. So children, prepare well for the FA3 exams. 1 to 3 lessons is on your syllabus, whole textbook part and the CW part. Okay, so after completion of this video, again read the poem and write the new words. Okay, hope you understand the poem. Thank you.